Hey everyone, welcome back to Drive Protected. My name is Eric, and in today's episode we're going to go over how to install full A-Pillar PPF on this Lamborghini Gallardo using our Defense Plus paint protection film. This is a big piece of film. It goes all the way from the front, right below the front fender by the hood here, all the way to the very back by the rear bumper. So let's get into it. All right, we're gonna get started. So we're gonna start installing this A-Pillar right at the very front of the car here. So I'm just gonna pull our film back, spray some tack solution underneath the film. I'm just gonna line this up with one hand and just gonna squeegee this down into place. There we go, that's good. From here, we're gonna come all the way up to the top here by the roof. Just gonna line this, make sure it looks perfect, and it does. That's good. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna come back a little bit. I'm just gonna make sure my alignment is good all the way along this front edge here. And it is. So now I can start squeegeeing everything down and out. There we go. This front part is done. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the PPF installed all the way up till here to the back of the roof. So right where it starts to wrap, right over here, we're gonna use a little bit of tack solution. We're gonna line the film up. And we're gonna lock that down right there. Now we're gonna come back over here. We're gonna make sure our alignment looks good. And it does. So we're just gonna overlap our squeegee strokes, and we're just gonna take and pull all of our solution out. There we go, that's good. Now we're gonna get a little bit more slip solution underneath the film towards the back part of the car. So I'm gonna pull the film up. I'm just gonna lay that into place. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna stretch the PPF into place right over here. And as you can see, as I stretch the material, it starts to pull itself around down over here by the engine. So, just got some tack solution underneath the film in there. Slight stretch to get that into place. There we go, that's locked into place. Now we can come over here and everything falls perfectly into place right along here, which is perfect. That's exactly what you want. So now all we need to do is I'm gonna pinch the film over here. I'm just gonna pull it just a little bit so there's some more tension on it. We're just gonna overlap our squeegee strokes, and we're just gonna start squeegeeing everything down and out towards the bottom and the back. And there we go. Now we can take and start wrapping this. So I'm just gonna take my finger, run it around the corner just to make sure that the film is down. And again, we'll come up to the very top here. This is one of the last pieces of PPF that I'm installing because, as you can see, I'm leaning over top of the rear fender to get this down properly. And we already installed PPF there, so I don't have to worry about the potential of scratching any of the film, or any of the paint, I should say. Now we're just overlapping our squeegee strokes and just making sure that everything is down and there's no moisture left behind underneath the film. And there we go. Perfect. So that right there is how you install the full A-pillar on a Lamborghini Gallardo. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more paint protection film content.